Good to have you in my channel today. Today I will be talking about why the old Volkswagen Beetles have the engine at the rear, not at the front, like other cars. That is what I'm discussing in this video. Why is it the car Volkswagen Beetles engine is at the rear, not at the front? It is because of traction, so that the car can have traction. The weight of the engine is on the rear wheel, the rear axle, so it gives you traction. That is why you see that the old Volkswagen has the engine at the rear, not at the front. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. This is how I bring fact about engine. Now let's go down to the details. What is traction? You may ask. Traction helps the engine to avoid slippage on a slippery ground or on a wet ground, and it also works in the background. It also helps acceleration. That is the major work of traction. So that when the engine is at the rear, or you can simply say at the back or at the rear. When you say at the back, the weight is now at the rear. So it is difficult for the engine to shift to slip go back. So the weight is there, so it can push it can help during the acceleration, and also for maybe on wet ground for the engine to sleep. That is why the Volkswagen Beetles, the old one engine, is at the rear. But the question is that, is it still there? No is the answer. Since 1997, though the structure is still the same, but the engine is now at the front, not at the rear any longer. That is why you see that now even youth can use it, because then is majorly it is the old people that love it, because the young ones see it as a kind of absurd car. How does it look like that? Why the engine is at the back? Things like that. But now at least every other person can use it, because though the shape is still there, but the change of position of the engine make it now more popular, and people are still driving it. So if you are asked why does the old Volkswagen Beetles have the engine at the back, at the rear, it is because of traction, so that you can have enough traction to prevent slippage on the wet ground or on the slippery ground. That is why it has the engine at the rear. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe now. Give me a thumbs up and share this video. Let it go, that the algorithm can take it far, so that people can know why Volkswagen made the engine, why the engine is at the rear, not at the front as other cars. Thank you for. See you in my next video, Mr. Engine. Thank you.